have like no setup for this, but well, here I'll show you what it looks like. That's this area right here. Need to clean up in that area, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't freaking matter. All that matters is this. It's taken like 3 weeks to get here, which is insane. Opening this up, hoping for some value. Not sure everyone who's in Series 2, but I know Fuchsia's in Series 2, and I really want to get Fuchsia. Very bad. Let's crack these. I know the wolves are worth pretty good, or decent amount. I haven't been really following Animal Crossing cards in a couple weeks. I have been moving Survivor buffs, which has been very nice. Who do we got? We got, ooh, Isabel. We got Kit. Kit and Cat. Kit Kat bar. Blair. Who's that? Butch. 2 more. Sprinkle. And last one. Kid Cat. Oh, I think he was like $20. Cool. These are what I've been moving. Been moving these. They've been like gold. Look, there's my buff drawer.